Do you want to know the secret sauce to building entire sites at breakneck speeds in Editor X? Then stick around, you're not going to want to miss this video where I introduce the tool that can enhance your workflow and make building in Editor X that much more enjoyable. All this now. Introducing the Layouter. The Layouter is a Flexbox layout tool, which means the containers inside of it are responsive. These containers are called items in Editor X, but more about those later. Responsive containers means your containers will respond or adjust themselves to fit within the browser, whether that is increasing the browser size to be wider or making it smaller. All of the containers will stack on top of one another or side by side automatically. Let's go ahead and add a layouter to this page here. From the Add panel under Layout Tools, you'll find your collection of layouter options to select from. At the top, we have wireframe options, which are non-styled layouters, and below we have some well-designed suggestions. I recommend starting with a pre-designed layouter if you are new to layouters so that you can better understand how they are structured and how the designs respond to the different breakpoints. There's also a second way to add a layouter directly from the canvas. However, you are limited to the wireframe layouters only, aka the start from scratch layouters. After adding a layouter, you can go ahead and resize the screen to see how the responsive containers or items respond to the browser width. In the top right corner of each item, you will see a plus and minus button. These will allow you to increase or decrease the width of an item by 20%. To fine-tune your items to your liking, you can always use the inspector panel and enter your custom values there. You can easily rearrange items within a layouter by clicking, holding, and dragging that item. When you want to drop it, just release the click and you drop it in its new location. Another way of doing this is right-clicking on the item and then going to switch order and then switch with next item or previous item. Regardless of which layouter you choose, you will always have the ability to add, duplicate, or delete items. There are some layout options that we have within the layouter element that make it even easier and more convenient to use in our workflow. Display type. Here in the display type, we can choose one of 4 types of displays. One display type can be applied to all viewports or a specific viewport that you believe would benefit from a layout change. If you would like me to create a more in-depth video on the different display types with examples of great use cases, please let me know below in the comments. And as usual, we have the ability to hide an item that might not benefit a particular browser size or device by selecting it in that viewport, right-clicking, and selecting Don't Display. And there you have it. Now you can dominate in Editor X by taking advantage of the layouters. If you are interested in checking out the behind the scenes of this video and how I put this page together step by step, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to see other Wix tutorials. Please be sure to leave a comment below letting me know. If not, let me know what you'd like to see next. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos around this topic or other web design tools, concepts, and strategies, then please subscribe and be sure to hit that bell to be notified as soon as they are released. My name is Rich, and thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I look forward to seeing you next time.